innovation. A SCAMPER technique. Are you familiar with that technique? Okay, we'll do it now. SCAMPER technique for creative thinking. It's a technique, each letter stands for a specific word. Quickly we'll explain it and then we will implement it. SCAMPER is a strategy that can be used to help students to generate new and many alternatives. It was developed in 1953 and then developed in 1971. Yeah. SCAMPER. S stands for substitute. Okay. C stands for combine. A stands for adapt. M stands for modify. B stands for put to another use. E stands for eliminate. And R stands for reverse. Please remember, you will need these abbreviations later. Okay? Substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. By this SCAMPER technique, you can do some creative and innovative ideas. And there are some questions in each where substitute means the substitute technique focuses on the part in the product, service, or solution that can be replaced with another. Some questions to be asked: who can be replaced? What can be replaced? Time, where can be replaced as well. Who or what as part of the process can be substituted? What part in the process can be replaced? Can the project time or place be replaced? And so on. Just substitute pen cam with USB flash drive. It was an innovative idea to replace and substitute the pen cam with a USB drive, flash drive. Combining two or more parts of the product or process to make something new. Question to be asked: what technology can be combined? What part material can be combined? What ideas, purposes, and units can be combined? Just add combining a camera with a phone to make a smartphone, for example. Adapt refers to a brainstorming discussion that aims to adjust or tweak product or service. Questions to be asked: what photo or sound can be added? What color or form can be added? Which extra function can be added? Such as adding pizza holder on a system. Okay. Modify, minify, or magnify. How to minify the process or magnify it. Think away on changing certain part of or all of the product or services. Question to be asked: how will modifying the process improve results? If the market was different, what would the process looks like? Modifying a fork into a finger fork. Put to other use. Please subscribe to a channel in YouTube called 5 Minute Craft. You can see a lot of ideas how to put your household item to another use. Put it to another use, how to use the same resources to create something new. Yeah. Question to be asked: what other part in the company can use the product? What are the benefits for the product used elsewhere? And so on. Eliminate. It may be, and sometimes, creativity by eliminating some part of the process. With minimum resources, you can create the same process, yes or no? As the name implies, that this technique aims to identify the part of the process that can be eliminated to improve the process to create new product or new service. Question to be asked: what would happen if we remove this part? How can we achieve the same output without a specific part of the project? Reverse. This is the final dimension. Finally, the reverse or rearrange technique aims to explore the innovative potential when changing the order of the process. And sometime when you are going to run your own business, there may be 3 dimensions or 3 operations you would like to operate. Finance, operation, the production process itself, and then marketing. This is the traditional way of thinking. If you have money, you can run your own business. This is in the first step, you need money. finance. And then you have to produce a specific product or a service and then market it. This is the traditional way of thinking. But what if you reverse the process? Can you start with marketing? Yes, of course. This is the up-to-date strategy. Start with marketing, knowing the customer requirements and trying to fulfill it later. But if you got some money and produce a product and then the customer, they didn't want it, in vain, you will lose. Okay, the reversing of the process may be a creative idea. Try to reverse the process itself and see what happens. We can do it in a very small area and do a plan, do check, act in a very small area and then wider it if it's success.